Hi guys, welcome to Everything Under the Sun. So I have decided just to do these talks where we discuss anything and everything, where we review. No topic is off limits. No topic is off limits here. Everything under the sun, we speak about it. I want to start with Uthando Nestempi, right? Yesterday's episode was really, oh my goodness, but it was just so much and it was kind of painful. Okay, I'm assuming this way. Guys, asiko serious lan, we just speak, nah? So let's watch.
Gives it so much credit, man.
There was a blockade every time, you feel I'm being disrespected and I'm being
okay, I'm gonna because we are so good. I'm sure to from Kulmanda. I'm going to get pina. I'm lambang. I'm funegula. I'm coming to get me from
the ngiyala kwila sapha ngiyevele sengihlumezekile one ngiyakudla number 2 uma Khumalo akavuma ukuthi leli gama engilisebenzisile ngikhuluma noma yena
Okay. Uthando Nestempi izolo ebusuku, the whole 35 minutes, if it's 30 minutes, was honestly between Umthombeni and Uthobile. Angazi ukuthi how am I feeling, to be honest, if I'm gonna have to be very truthful. I see Mthombeni is trending, abantu bayasho ukuthi he's not a good man, he's a bad man and all of that, blah 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 blah. Maybe he's not a good man. And I also feel like ukuthi uThobile ngazi ukuthi social media usuyampamp. I love Thobile so much. I love Makhumalo. But issue Makhumalo ngabi nengane, we were introduced to it, I think at the very beginning of the show, and obviously we were aware of it, and nomthombeni vele ke bona bayazi bonke bayazi. Okay, what we were not aware, which I heard yesterday, was the fact ukuthi wakhathwa amathumbu umayi 2. So if akhathwa amathumbu umayi 2, obviously chances are of her getting a child are very slim. Awekho kahle. So angazi ukuthi why kanti ke bilokho bethi bayazama benomthombeni, because obviously the solution is to have somebody carrying the child, right? Of which I think umselegu wake wacela lokho ukuthi. Wait guys, was umselo ecela uThobile ukuthi, I didn't understand the time, ecela uThobile ukuthi akamithe, wayecela ukuthi athwale ingane kama, I think so, yeah. Guys, umselego has a problem of ukubona ufuna ukujustify indaba yomuntu, but ungazi usuzomjustifyela kanjani, like you wanna speak for them, you wanna defend them, but you can't defend them. One, I don't think Mthombeni is a bad man. I think he's angry. I think he's frustrated. I think he's frustrated. Some of the facts he made to Thobile. Let's not see lokusian le. Okay, abanye abafazi, the argument will be like, but abanye abafazi abafana no Thobile. Yeah, abafana no Thobile because they chose not to be, right? Lo munye unurse, lo munye umamkhulu, lo munye usebenzela lapha ekitchen uma yena uchillile, akafune kuba presenter, akafune kuba what. And two, Thobile is young, she was younger, so one of kubo bonke abafazi bakhe uThobile suited the image of being a brand and stand alone, but then a branch from the Umselegu. Okay, let me say it this way. There's a tree, and then Thobile is a branch from Umselegu. Honestly speaking, there's no Thobile without Umselegu. We cannot go sideways. Umselegu made uThobile. Okay, Umselegu did not make uThobile, but Umselegu gave uThobile a platform, and Thobile Brenner with the platform. The brands were approaching uThobile simply because she is the wife of Themselegu, and not only she's the wife of Themselegu, she's the only wife who suits the brands. She's the only wife who can khuluma isiNgisi esingcono osikahle. She's the only wife who's young. She's the only wife also enkayi. She's the only wife ongaba amongst other. Do you get me? Akayena umfazi osemakhaya, umfazi osemakhaya, but akayena umfazi osemakhaya. So for me, I think umSelegu uma kathatha uThobile, obviously we understand how ukuthi wangena kanjani, but obviously umSelegu wasn't aware the fact ukuthi, hey, what if umSelegu is taking uSamke uMakhwela omncane ngoba efuna ukuthi build the brand azoba uThobile naye? What are the chances of that? Because no man, ukanye uThobile ukudelela yena. I understand where Thobile is coming from, but I think she must do away with what social media is saying. We are gaslighting Thobile. We are saying this man has been doing this and doing that. Dala, this man has been. That man is your husband. That man assisted you. Isn't Mselegu under pressure? Is Mselegu under the stress? Yes. Uyahlukumeza, uyahlupheka, uyahlusha, bayamhlupha abafazi. I believe ukuthi the only happiness ekhona njengamanje endlini yakhe is umamkhulu. And Thobile was one of those wives that we really loved for the fact ukuthi ubemthanda uMselegu and ubengaboni lutho. umsela kuzomsiza ukuthi whatever edlisa uThobile aqhubeka amdlisa yona, you know, like just let Thobile go back to who she was. Okay, truly speaking, she won't go back to who she was uThobile right now. Usefana nolwandle akasabambeki inkosi yami afuna uqamba amanga. But I think ukuthi uThobile should give umsele grace. I heard in tatikhala ngazo Thobile. Let's listen. She kukhala ngokuthi
sithe nawe kuma diaries wakhuluma kakhulu and I was just quiet. Because ubuhlungu engangibuza ngangirealize ukuthi ngekwazi ngisho express ukuthi ngizizwa kanjani ngezinto ozikhulumayo. From that day asange sibe right because iqiniso lethi wangithatha kahle. Sahlukana ngalelo langa ngaqhubeka. Washilo ngekuye kwami, not just kwami, ngekuye emizini yethu.
So uThobile that day kunele sapha waphatheka kabuhlungu and umseleko wakhuluma kabi, and then when the houses were built umseleko wathi angeke aye emzini kaThobile, not just only Thobile's wife though, all the houses. So I'm assuming bengakhuluma obviously ngomamkhulu sokhuluma ngomayeni noma ngwabe kanye nalo wathi angeke aye emzini yabo, because obviously siyakhumbula umayeni bekhuluma ukuthanda kwakhe and uma ngwabe ngapha ubethi ngehamba, and uThobile on the other side was the one engathi way right. Kubuye ngathi uThobile utriggerishwe indaba kaSamke. She's young, almost her age, ufike emncane kaMselo, but she's almost her age right now. And I might be wrong, but I believe that Thobile sees uSamke as a competition. I think it's not even more about the fact ukuthi umthathe, but fact also ithatha apha indoda inkosikazi, uzothatha apha igirlfriend umsele, uzothatha ngakubo. I mean, uchitha isikhathi sakhe Potchefstroom is not even big. Potchefstroom is smaller. Abekho or eats girl yabo. So umsele spends a lot of time that side. So therefore, if uhlangane nentombi ubengazi ukuthi usemkhosheni wangaka lento zana. I think from there belamnikeza igrace, noma mhlawumbe uThobile befuna ukuthi athi mehlangana nomuntu umsele kube sethi wakuphi, sawubona njani, ikuphi kini, bese sithi lona social media say ngeke kwamadlala ngeke. No, I don't think so. I think ngiyaphetha nje nami angimazi mina uThobile ukwateleni, ake ngisho kanjalo, angiyibona into ekwatela uThobile that much beside the Samke issue, honestly, which then makes it everything as if okay guys, let me not say, can you guys help me, what is it that makes Thobile angry? the issue yakho ngabe nabantwana kade yayidiscuss umseleko uthi umseleko useyisho kabuhlungu manje. I don't understand it. And why would Thobile go tell umseleko ukuthi uthobile go tell umseleko ukuthi usamke ubejola emsebenzini ejola nobani whoever, or why ejola emsebenzini, which probably maybe that's the reason why umseleko eyikisa umsebenzi usamke, because wabona ukuthi uzohlelwa emsebenzini or something like that. Guys, that family right now, uThando Nesthembu, is just, but that's the reality though. It's just going. And you could see now, this is reality, it's happening, it's real, it's happening. About Thobile, regardless of anything that is happening, she must just remember that's her husband. But that's the husband. You have a right to assist your husband at home. If Thobile was married to uMusamseleko yedwa, angicabanga ukuthi uMusamseleko yedwa kade uzobe footing the bill in the house. Even if like you as the wife, you must contribute something, especially to a person that you guys are married together. Do something, be part of whatever. If in daughter ikhokhela umuzi, you buy groceries, if you know. So the fact ukuthi akanazi ingane uMakhomali, I don't think ukuthi sifair ukuthi akanga contribute endlini. First of all, the brand, our brand, gives you more platform, therefore you make more money because you are part of our brand. So therefore you owe us. Yes. Therefore you owe us money. You owe us to take care of this family. Quite sharp. I think I've been thinking Umseleko was the fact ukuthi Thobile is taking care of other wives. I don't think Umseleko, I might be wrong. I don't think Thobile ngicela ulethe imali ngiyonikeza uMakhwela. No. Probably Umseleko says you need to contribute. We need things in the house. Maybe Thobile athi uzokwenzani. Mhlambe uMseleko angakwazi uqamba manga mhlawumbe athi we're gonna buy 1 and 2 and 3 for Makhwela. You are even getting paid to the production that belongs to the Umseleko. Right? So it's just so complicated, Linda. You're Thando Nesthembu. But I am gonna blame Umseleko if ngempela ayisho lento kuThobile yokuthi into wayizeli lana the money. Yeah, well, he did say uyasinika imali, but what you came for here, it's if you give us money, it's useless. Wait, let's listen.
There is abantu abaningi bacabanga ukuthi ngikhuluma ngesimo sakho.
Ukhuluma ngaso phela.
No,
ukhuluma ngaso. Mthobeni, don't. Ukhuluma ngaso mfowethu. And
okay.
Yazi why ngithi ukhuluma ngaso?
Yeah.
Ngoba ukhulume ngaso kumina emehlweni.
Okay.
So lokho kwamadari seko ukuni.
Okay.
Off camera.
Okay.
Sikhulume ngako wakusho ukuthi
okay, Mzilikazi.
Lento engicathi ngiyayicontributor yilutho versus into ekufuze efunwa wena ongayitholile. You are tired of waiting. Vele he said it emehlweni nami ukuthi he is tired of waiting. Why am I not conceiving naturally? Esho manje lelanga engisagcina ngalokukhuluma ngathi ngiyakwazi ukulala kwami wesho lawo mazwi ngisukuma ngithi sengicela uhambe. It's because wathi ukhathele ukulinda. He's been waiting for over 5 years emele ukuthi ngikhulelwe natural. Kusho umuntu owazi ukuthi ngakhathwa ama-troops owu2 watshela mina emehlweni wathi manje uzongitshela indaba yokuthi fanele ngenzeni ngabantu ngenzela iphutha mina ngibe ngitholile umuntu wami ozalayo.
Okay, Umseleko was wrong to go and but even though he was wrong, but what are you gonna say? I mean, if Thobile was not trying to bhula umlilo, Umseleko had to try to bhula umlilo on social media and just say we are fine, we understand each other, even though they're not. I think Umseleko has a point there. Now Thobile says, but you knew we were not okay. Yes, we were not okay, but then there was too much noise outside. I needed, as a man of this house, to go and uthole some sin, then come back to you. Maybe it was putala Umseleko ukuthi akabange sabuyela ke emuva ayotholisa ke lowo msindo ke lowo kuThobile asho ukuthi okay, angibazi ukuthi mina uMthobile noMseleko babangani, but I'm going to blame uMayeni. I swear to God, angimazi wenza. I'm actually going to blame uMangwabi. Okay. Who are we blaming for actually no, for behavior yathobela ukuthi change from being loyal to Mseleko? Let's blame social media. Let's blame social media, because that woman was a Mseleko. That woman was a Mseleko. That woman was Mseleko this, Mseleko that. But it was the issue of number 5. She felt too good to. But Toby is not even the last wife. Isn't the last wife Umbali? So why is there a problem? Yes. Why nenkinga no. Oh, she felt too sezokondla abantu abaningi. Guys, let's speak. What do you know? What do you suggest? What are you thinking of what is happening on Mseleko right now? Mseleko uyagula. I don't think I'm stressed kanjeni. At this stage, that man, I believe ukuthi umuntu ngempela mhlawumbe intimate, kusho njalo intimate naye. Probably futhi umacele semdala, usho usamke kuphela, because mangwaba akafuni ngisho ukuthinta. We've seen that. I don't see Mayeni also there. Now Toby uyabamba. So umacele uyithatha njengo flow manje. So ulalo bamseleke nosamke only nimncisha ucansi nimncisha yonke into. I know, guys. And then the other topic that we spoke about yesterday was the issue of uLwandle wanting to go ayohlala elintuzeni ayohlala le emzimba. Yes, guys, for some reason angazi why ikhanda lami kube ngazothi umpumelelo ingane kaMacele engazothi ingane le ingane abazukulu baMacele. How come uMacele engenabo abazukulu? Ubani umdala uLwandle, right? uLwandle uzala uma, you know, it doesn't make sense. uLwandle fanele ngabe uzala uMacele. No, I mean sorry, umpumela fanele ngabe uzala uMacele not uMayeni. Usho ukuthi uMayeni wafike wazala. Who's older? Olo slowanyana vele yabo. So maybe it makes sense. But yeah, apparently according to the storyline or whatever they were speaking about this thing, ngazothiwa kwayilethe ingane uLwandle kanti ingane kwangayona yakhe. So that's why lo ethi ufuna i-DNA test ukuze azi ukuthi le ngane le eyakhe ngempela. So Sneh is pregnant. Sneh is pregnant again. So I'm assuming Sneh wazale pregnant is what pregnant is one on social media the young boy who then also who was there, he was just there for fame hungry. And after that understanding ngoba phela there is morning after, there is odokotela, there is imjovo, there Sneh. How long are you gonna just keep on having popping babies for different baby daddies? Okay, look, they fine, they afford. Oh, Dineo Ranaka, they afford. Oh, Nicki Minaj, the other one, okay, they afford. So I don't understand of Sneh just bringing a child knowing exactly what you cannot afford. Manje, I also anyway, guys, let's talk. What do you think about last night's episode? And tonight we're gonna have a new episode, and tomorrow we're gonna be here again speaking about anything and everything under the sun. Mwah, love you.